Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to find your Facebook page QR code. First, go to the menu of your Facebook and then scroll down and click on Pages. After that, click on the page that you want to use and click on the three dots and copy the link. Now, after that, you can now go to your browser. In this case, I'm going to use Chrome and go to this website, qr-code-generator.com. And after that, paste the link that we've been copied and click on Generate QR Code. After that, click on Download button and click on the downloaded image. Now, you can use this QR code to scan. In my case, I'm going to use the Google Lens. Now, click on the pop-up link and select on Facebook. Now, it will redirect us to the page, and that's how you find your Facebook page QR code. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.